Hi everybody, this is Jason Foreman. I'm so excited because I have a wonderful open house. We're at 12121 Aneta in the Del Rey area in West Los Angeles. We're right outside of Playa Vista with all of the big tech campuses. You've got Google, you've got Facebook, and all of those major offices. This is the first neighborhood just outside of that area, and the neighbors are very excited because this neighborhood is very popular, and if you ask anybody around, barely anything is ever for sale. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath house, and it's going for $1,475,000. Come on, I'll take you guys inside. First thing that I noticed when I see this home is a beautiful front porch. Not a lot of homes in West LA have it, and the owners really maintained this. They actually extended it just a little bit. A lot of the yard space is dedicated to the front yard. In Los Angeles, we typically see a bigger backyard. Just imagine yourself here with friends, sipping some tea or a nice cup of coffee on a Sunday morning. Let's go inside. The front door opens right up into the living room, which is a very wide open space. This home is very well maintained. The floors are original. They've also been recently redone. All of the paint is very fresh. Everything down to the baseboards is fresh. A lot of people ask me if the owners use staging, and no, they didn't decorate the home. This is just how they live. They're very neat and organized people. Just a quick detail, all of the windows in the home are insulated double pane windows. These shutters were actually custom. Just a nice little detail. This is a wood burning fireplace. You cannot purchase a wood burning fireplace anymore. You're not allowed to. So this home was grandfathered in with an old school wood burning fireplace. Gorgeous mantle. Down the hallway here we go into the master bedroom that opens up into the master bath. The fan works very well, keeps everything cool. Double pane windows in here as well. Check how fresh the paint is on the walls. Check how fresh the crown molding is, and also the baseboards. Everything is very well kept. So this master bedroom opens up to the master bath, which also opens up to a back porch in the backyard. Let's take a look. The master bedroom also has can lights, those flush modern lights on the ceiling. Very sleek look, and it gives a very even lighting too. Here we are in the master bathroom. This is a personal oasis. It's very quiet back here. It's got these light pastel colors that have kind of a beachy feel. It's a little bit rustic too. There's a steam shower I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. And this door right here, it opens right into the backyard. So here we have the steam shower with the tile bench. Just like a sauna, you can adjust the level of steam that you want. We have a nice large yard with a spa in the back, plenty of room to entertain. There's a fire pit. There's even a wood fire pizza oven right here. It's a great place to hang out with all your friends on the weekend or Friday barbecues. A big, beautiful table to socialize with your friends or just hang out in the morning, and that opens up into the backyard. Me to bedroom number 2. This bedroom, just like the master bedroom, also opens up directly into the back porch. You get a lot of sunlight too with that large window, the sliding glass door. Bathroom number 2 has been recently redone. The nice glass door, and behind here is tile with a wood texture. It looks nice, it looks sleek, but it's also very durable too. Easy to maintain. This bathroom is great for relaxing with the bathtub. It's also close to the entrance, so it's great to use as a guest bathroom. We are in the den and the kitchen with granite countertops, plenty of open space. You have a lot of room to work. Beautiful large stove. The kitchen features an island in the center, which is great for intimate dining, or if you're like me and you like to cook up a storm, it's just extra counter space to work with. And just like the living room and all of the bedrooms, the kitchen features recessed lighting as well. Very modern and flush. That kitchen den / outdoor area, you get a lot of open space. It's great for entertaining, and there's tons of natural light that comes in from the back patio. This opens up right to the backyard, so that way when you're cooking a pizza in the outdoor oven, you could bring it right here inside to your friends. Thanks again so much for visiting my open house. When you guys have any questions about selling your home for the highest price, by the way, we have a program. It's called Compass Concierge, where we help people at no upfront cost fix up their home so they sell it for the highest price. I also help people buy homes even in a competitive market. They get the best price.